T-minus 1 minute.
Go. Rock, report range status.
Range green.
50 seconds.
Upper stage LH2, secure at flight level.
45.
Launch enable. GE, main power off.
Main power off. $30.
Status check. Go Delta. Go WGS-8.
25.
Green board.
Flight lock in. SRM TVC blowdown.
15.
Prophy ignition.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. We have engine ignition. 2, 1. And liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Delta IV rocket carrying the WGS-8 mission for the United States Air Force.
R68 performing well. Fuel injector and chamber pressure looking good. 20 seconds into flight. Burn profiles on the 4 solid rocket motors all looking good. 30 seconds in. Mach 1 vehicle is now transonic.
You're hearing the voice of Patrick Moore providing launch vehicle ascent data.
Now passing max Q, maximum dynamic pressure. RS-68 continuing to perform well. Chamber pressures and injector pressures looking good. Burn profiles on the 4 solid rocket motors also looking good. Now passing 1 minute into flight. Approximately 30 seconds remaining in the solid rocket motor burn. Delta IV is now 12 nautical miles in altitude, 10 miles downrange, traveling at 2,000 miles per hour. 1 minute, 20 seconds in. Standing by for SRM burnout shortly. And we have solid rocket motor burnout. Standing by for separation. And we have good indication of separation of all 4 solid rocket motors. The Delta IV rocket now weighs just half of what it did at launch, burning propellant at a rate of almost 2,000 pounds per second. 1 minute, 55 seconds into flight.
Roger.
The upper stage ACS press valve has been opened. 2 minutes into flight, now passing Mach 5. Delta IV is now 35 nautical miles downrange, 40 miles in altitude, 55 miles downrange, traveling at over 4,000 miles per hour. 2 minutes, 20 seconds into flight. RS-68 continuing to perform well. Fuel injector and chamber pressures looking good. 2 minutes, 30 seconds in. Vehicle body rates remaining stable. 2 minutes, 40 seconds in. And the upper stage engine has begun the LOX pre-start sequence. One minute to MECO. 3 minutes into flight, now passing Mach 10. RS-68 continuing to perform well. Fuel injector and chamber pressures look good. Standing by for payload fairing jettison momentarily. And we have indication of payload fairing jettison. 3 minutes, 20 seconds into flight. Three minutes, 30 seconds in. Vehicle is now 80 nautical miles in altitude, 190 miles downrange distance, traveling at 8,900 miles per hour. 3 minutes, 40 seconds into flight. Standing by for booster throttle down shortly in preparation for MECO. And booster has begun to throttle down in preparation for MECO as expected. Standing by for MECO. And we have MECO, first stage engine cutoff, standing by for separation. And we have good indication of stage separation. Heads is deploying, standing by for main engine start. And we have main engine start on the upper stage engine. Chamber pressures and injector pressures look good. This is the first of 3 planned burns for today's mission. First burn should last approximately 15 minutes and 30 seconds.